Secret investing advice for stock market success. There is no shortage of ways to invest money in supposed experts, who will help you invest. But knowing what you are doing and understanding the risks is of the utmost importance. Take the time to find out as much as you can and use the useful advice from this video to help you do it the right way. When beginning in investing in the stock market, be sure to not invest too much. Many people make the mistake of putting all of their money into the stock market and end up losing it all. Set limits to the amount you are willing to gamble on, and no matter what, do not go over this limit. If you are holding some common stock, you need to exercise your right to vote as a shareholder in the company. In certain circumstances, depending on the charter of the company, you could be able to vote on such things as electing a director or something as important as a proposed merger. You may vote in person at the annual shareholders meeting or by proxy, either online or by mail. When targeting maximum yield portfolios, include the best stocks from various industries. While the market grows, in general, some sectors grow more than others. By having different positions through different sectors, you could capitalize on industries that grow drastically in order to grow your portfolio. Rebalancing your portfolio regularly will cut down on your risks from losing stocks and sectors while aligning yourself to capitalize on future growth. As you already may have learned, there is no shortage of people who will help you to invest your money. They will all tell you of a chance that is a surefire money maker, but you have to act fast. Always remember that if something sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. Use the advice from this video to make informed choices in investing. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.